Pilot blackout in a power dive. A jet plane comes in for a downward dive as shown in figure. This is the one figure. Okay. The bottom part of the path is a quarter circle with a radius of curvature of 280 meters. According to medical tests, pilots will lose consciousness when they pull out of a dive at an upward acceleration greater than 5.5 g. Here g means acceleration due to gravity. At what minimum speed in meters per second and in miles per hour will the pilot black out during this dive? Here, the radius of curvature is given to us. That means r is equal to 280 meters. And then acceleration is given as 5.5 g. That means 5.5 into 9.8 meters per second square. Next, we have to find out the minimum speed at which the pilot blackout. Okay. So we have to use the formula. This is based on the centripetal acceleration. Okay. Or we can say that this is the circular motion problem. So centripetal acceleration is equal to v square over r. That implies v square is equal to ar. Here a is known to us and then r is also given to us. Using the values, we can find out v. So v is equal to square root of 5.5 times 9.8 times 280. That gives 122.85 meters per second. And we have to round it, so it is 120 meters per second. Or when we convert them into miles per hour, it gives 270 miles per hour. That's the answer for this question. Just simple. This is based on the uniform circular motion, and you should recall the formula. Centripetal acceleration is equal to v square over r. From that, you can find out the answer. That's it.